Africa, my home, a place of immense beauty and spirit. But a terrible darkness casts a shadow over our land, the exploitation of children. Across the continent, innocent boys and girls are robbed of their childhoods, forced into labor, and even made to fight in wars. Their small hands, meant for toys and books, are put to work in fields, mines, and homes. This is a crisis that demands our attention and action. These are not just statistics, they are real lives shattered. Behind each number is a child denied education, deprived of healthcare, and stripped of their dignity. The future of Africa is intertwined with the fate of its children. We cannot remain silent while they suffer. We must break the silence and shine a light on this injustice. The world needs to know the stories of these children to understand the depth of their suffering. Only then can we hope to create a future where every child in Africa is free to experience the joys of childhood. Imagine a child, barely old enough to tie their own shoes, carrying heavy loads on their backs, their small bodies bent under the weight. This is the reality for countless children forced into labor. They work long hours in dangerous conditions, exposed to toxic chemicals and hazardous environments. Many toil in mines, their tiny lungs choked by dust, their dreams buried in the darkness. Others are trapped on farms, their skin scorched by the sun, their spirits crushed by exhaustion. These children are denied education, healthcare, and the opportunity to simply be children. The physical toll is devastating, but the psychological scars run even deeper. Childhood should be a time of play, learning, and laughter. Instead, these children are robbed of their innocence, their spirits crushed under the weight of their burdens. Even more horrifying is the plight of child soldiers. Imagine a child, barely a teenager, forced to carry a gun instead of a school bag. Their innocence stolen, they are trained to kill, to witness unspeakable horrors, to become weapons of war. The trauma they endure is unimaginable. They are forced to commit atrocities, to witness the death of friends and family. Many are drugged, beaten, and abused. The psychological wounds of war run deep, leaving them emotionally scarred and deeply troubled. We must remember that these are children, not soldiers. They deserve our protection, our compassion, and our unwavering commitment to bring their nightmare to an end. Their release is not enough. These children need specialized care to heal and rebuild their lives. Despite the horrors they face, the spirit of these children remains unbroken. Across Africa, there are organizations working tirelessly to rescue and rehabilitate them. They provide shelter, medical care, counseling, and education, helping these children heal and reclaim their stolen childhoods. These organizations are beacons of hope, demonstrating that change is possible, but they cannot do it alone. We must all be part of the solution. We can support these organizations, raise awareness about child exploitation, and advocate for policies that protect children. Every child deserves a chance to dream, to learn, and to live free from fear and exploitation. Together, we can create a world where every child in Africa can experience the joy of childhood. The journey is long, but hope endures.